everyone. I'm Dr. Mamta, and today I have brought you a very good workout on a day of 10th June 2021. It's a rare combination occurring of Surya Grahan with the Shani Amavas. So let's see what we can do on this day. First of all, let's know something about Shani Dev and his birth. Shani Dev is the god of justice. He delivers justice to our karmas. He is also called Karam Phal Data. We are fearful from Shani Deva because he never ignores our bad karmas. He is the son of Lord Surya, born from Chaya, the wife of sun god. The shadow of his wife Sanjana, also called Sangya. So he is also called Chaya Putra. The day of Jeshtha Amavas is the day dedicated to Lord Shani as his day of birth. There was a solar eclipse on the day of Shani Deva's birth too. So this is a rare combination occurring on 10th June 2021 that Surya Grahan is occurring along with the Shani Amavas. So it is considered very auspicious for the worship of Shani Deva and praying for the forgiveness for our bad karmas. He is dark complexioned because when he was about to born, then his mother Chaya took a severe penance to Lord Shiva. And that is the reason that Lord Shani is also a great devotee of Lord Shiva. Crow is his Vahan, and he holds Trishul, bow and arrow in three of his hands and blesses the devotees by his one hand. Name Shani means gold, while the name Shanishchara means who walks slowly, as he takes approximately 29 years to complete circle around sun, which is the highest time taken among all the Navgrahas. Now let's see why should we worship Shan on this day, Shani Amavas. For getting rid of sufferings from Shani Dasha, Antardasha, Shani Dosha, Shani Sadesati, Shani Dhaya. So let's see, if you are running with the Shani Dasha or Antardasha, then you should worship on this day. Shani Dosh occurs when the Shani is a malefic planet placed in Shubh Bhavas of one's natal chart, or Surya, Chandra or Mangal is placed in 10th or 11th house in the horoscope. People who are born with the Chandra in Dhanu, Makar or Kumbh, presently their Sadesati is running. While people born with their Chandra in the Mithun Rashi or Tula Rashi, presently their Dhaya is running. So they should worship on this day definitely. This day is marked for Pitradeva worship, which is like Amavas day, and this removes Pitradosha also. And Shani Deva is the significator of profession, karma. Worshipping on this day helps one to come out of the financial problems, debts, and results in career development and business improvement. He is Badhakesh for Aries and Taurus signs. So Badhakesh means planet of obstacle in every field, in every aspect of life of Aries and Taurus. Shani is the reason of obstacles. So whichever area of your life in your chart is controlled by Mesh or Vrish Rashis, Shani will put obstacles in that area of life. To remove these obstacles, one should worship Shani Deva on this day. Lord Sun never liked him and used to always neglect him because Shani Deva was born with a dark complexion once, and the day Lord Shani was born on Amavas, his father Lord Surya was eclipsed for the first time. So once when Lord Surya insulted Shani Deva, He became very furious. He casted cruel gaze on Surya. His mere gaze burnt Surya to black complexion. At that time, Lord Shiva only healed Surya. So Shani Deva's drishti is well known to cause misery. His mere seeing the baby Ganesha got Ganesha beheaded, which later was revived by Lord Shiva and Lord Vishnu as per the story. So worshipping Lord Shiva on this day protects and heals one from the Shani Drishti effects also. Shani Dev protects from evil eye, black magic, psychic attacks. So if somebody is suffering from these problems, they should definitely worship Shani Dev on this day. Devotees get rid of the diseases and any threat to longevity is cured because Shani Deva is Ayush Karka and significator of three Trik Bhavas 6, 8, and 12. Therefore, protecting from Rin Rog Shatru also, which are like we call it debts, diseases, and enemies. If anybody has been cheated or being treated badly by someone and there is no rescue right now, he should pray to Lord Shani for the justice. Now let's see how to please Shani Deva. Keeping fast on this day will purify us. Worshipping him in the banyan tree or peepal tree. Offer water to these trees on this day and do parikrama. Worshipping Lord Shiva and performing Rudra Abhishek is the best way to get rid of Shani related sufferings. Wake up early in this morning and take bath by adding some sesame seeds in the water. Offer blue flowers to Shani Deva and light lamps of mustard oil. Make a meal of urad dal khichdi and feed the hungry people. And you can eat yourself also. Clean your home and get rid of all waste material that is not used for long time or is not usable anymore. Visit Shani temple and offer mustard oil, black lentils, black sesame seeds, etc. to Shani Deva. You can do Shani Abhishekam with the oil and do Shani Shanti Puja. If you are looking forward to promote your business or looking forward to expand your services, then you can get surma, which is a type of stuff which is put in eyes, black color, and you can bury it into the ground. Generally, 5 gram is enough for the one time. Fill ant holes with the jaggery and flour, mainly wheat flour, or some rice also can be taken. Donate to orphanage or old age home, and you can serve old people there. Let's see a few mantras and prayers which can give you blessing of Shani Deva. So first of all, this is the Mool mantra of Shani Deva. Om Sham Shanishcharaya Nama. Let's know about Beach mantra of Shani Deva. Om Pram Preem Pram Sah Shanishcharaya Nama. Now is the Dhyan mantra of Shani Deva. This mantra is taken from Rishi Vedvyas Krit Navgraha Stotram. Om Nilanjan Samabhasam Raviputram Yamagrajam Chaya Martanda Sambhutam Tam Namami Shanishcharam. Now I have brought to you a few Gayatri mantras for Shani Deva. Om Shanishcharaya Vidmahi Chaya Putraya Dhimahi Tanno Mandah Prachodayat. And the other one is Om Krishnangaya Vidmahi Ravi Putraya Dhimahi Tanna Sauri Prachodayat. There is one very peculiar, very unique prayer for getting rid of sufferings related to Shani Deva. सूर्यपुत्रो दीर्घदेहो विशालाक्षः शिवप्रियः दीर्घचारः प्रसन्नात्मा पीड़ां हर्तु मे शनि. With this, I thank you each and every person for being with me and watching this patiently. I hope you got a few things very beneficial for you, and you will definitely do on this day. This is 10th June 2021, and get the blessing of Shani Dev. Thank you.